Okay, so I'm going to talk to you today about an auction I went to. Okay, now these are just some properties. Okay, there were a lot of properties at this auction. Okay, the purchase price of one house was $19,500. The value of the house was $2,300. The final bid was $1,500. That is a 92% savings. This house here, there was no purchase price, which means it was probably an inherited property. The value of the house, according to the city, was $32,600. The final bid was $10,500 for a savings of about 67%. Now, some other properties, the purchase price was $36,900. The value that the city put on the house was $76,400. The final bid was $4,400 for a savings of what? 42%. This other house, the purchase price was $22,000. The final bid on the property was $99,500. Savings of 53%. This last property, the purchase price was $74,000. The city said it's valued at $110,000. The final bid was $20,000 for a savings of 73%. So, as I said, you can go to auctions, real estate auctions, and get some very good bargains. There's a lot of savings, 72%, 90%. I know a person on Facebook said they bought a property for $5. Okay. Now, if you are homeless, I do recommend that you go to the tax delinquent property sale and get some property, because the law says you cannot just park on public lands. You just cannot. You'll get a citation. You can only park on, set up a camp on private lands if you have permission. Okay, so and I know a lot of homeless people do park on public lands. I know that. I know they do, but you're not really supposed to do that. Okay, so that's why if you can have $300. I mean, if you're homeless, you should be able to hustle up $300. Excuse me, you should be able to do that. Okay, to hustle $300, and I'm suggesting that you take that $300 and buy yourself some tax delinquent property. A lot. Because if you are on your own lot and you have a title deed to that property, the police will not say anything to you. Okay? There are a lot of other things you can get at auctions. You can get cars, restaurant equipment. You can get vans, cars, trucks. So, I'm just giving you a list of an auction of properties that I went to last month, and I hope you'll find something. Have a nice day.